Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Jitendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I am going to talk about verse number 39 to 46 of chapter 2. Here Lord Krishna make Arjuna understand how to perform your prescribed duty without being attached, and how to make yourself free from the cycle of the birth and death and bondage of the work. Here Lord Krishna make Arjuna understand about verse number 39. ऐसा तेह भीता सांख्य बुद्धि योगे त्रिमा शृणु बुद्धि युक्त पय पार्था कर्म बंधन प्रहासही प्रहासही. Here Lord Krishna stated, thus far I have described this bondage, this knowledge to you through the analytical study. Here Lord Krishna made Arjuna understand this knowledge by analytical study. Now listen, I am going to explain it in the terms of working without fruitive result, how to perform your duties without being attached with your work, without any expectation, without any desire. O son of Prutha, when you act in such a knowledge, when you perform your prescribed duty without being attached, at that time you can make yourself free from the cycle of the birth and death and free from the bondage of the work. Lord Krishna further stated, नेहा भिक्क कर्म नो सोसति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पम यस्य धर्मस्य त्राह्यते महतो भ्रयात. Here Lord Krishna further stated, in this endeavor there is no loss or diminution, and a little advancement on this path can protect one from the most dangerous type of the fear. You will never have any kind of fear. The fear of to gain something, or the fear of to lose something, or the fear of miss the happiness to gain something, or expectation to gain something. So you can make yourself, if you perform your prescribed duty without any kind of desire or expectation. व्यवसायित्माक बुद्धि रे केह कुरु नंदन ब्रह्मु शाखः अंतासतु बुद्धि यो व्यवसायिनम. Those who are on this path are resolute in the purpose, and their aims is one. O beloved child of Kurus, the intelligence of those who are irresolute in many branches, irresolute in the many branches. In the Chaitanya Charitatma, here stated, Shraddha sabbe vivasa kahe Shraddha nischaya Krishna bhakti kile sarva karma karta haye. Krishna bhakti kile sarva karma karta haye. Lord Krishna is performing all the prescribed duty from the medium of our body. We are not doer of anything. When we start to believe in this, we are not doer of anything. All the actions are performed by Lord Krishna, but it should not be motivated with personal desire, personal expectation, or material desire and material expectation. Faith means infringing the trust in the something sublime. When one is engaged in the duty of Lord Krishna, for that we all have to indulge ourselves in the Lord Krishna's duty. In Krishna consciousness, he need not act in the relationship to the material world with the obligation to the family tradition, humanity and nationality. Humanity and nationality. This is most important. Sahitatmak. Lord Krishna further stated, Chakravarti Thakur here stated, यशस्य प्रसाद भागवतम प्रसादो यशस्य प्रसादन न गतिः कुतोपि ध्याय सुत्वम तस्य यशस्य त्रिसान्ध्यम वंदे गुरुः श्री चरणम वृंदावनम. By satisfaction of the spiritual master, the satisfaction of the spiritual master, the Supreme Personality of Godhead becomes satisfied. If we satisfy our spiritual master, then Lord Krishna will directly satisfied. And by not satisfying the spiritual master, there is no chance of being promoted to the plane of Lord Krishna. I should therefore meditate and pray for his mercy 3 times a day, offer my respectful obeisance unto him, my spiritual master. यामामि पुष्पितो वाचः प्रवदन्त विपसितः वेदवाद रतः पार्थ नान्य दस्तित वादिनी कामात्मान स्वर्ग परा जन्म कर्म फला प्रदाम क्रिया विशेष बहुआ भोगे श्रेय गति प्रति. Here Lord Krishna stated, men of the small knowledge are very much attached by the flowery words of the Vedas, which recommend various fruitive activities for elevation to the heavenly planets, resultant good birth, power and so forth. Being desirous of the sense of gratification, the opulent life, and they say there is nothing more than this one. The people who actually indulge in these particular things, particular life or particular material things, the particular person do believe this entire material world is everything. There is no more than this entire material world. Which one is important for that particular person? So the people who believes in these particular things, that particular belief, that particular person will surely come back in this material world. भोगश्रय प्रसकांताना तया प्रसत चेतसाम व्यवसायित्मा बुद्धि समाधि न विद्यते बुद्धि समाधि समाधो न विद्यते. In the minds of those who are too attached to the sense of enjoyment and the material opulence, the sense of enjoyment and material opulence, who are bewildered by such a things, who are bewildered by the material things, the people who are indulged in this material world, the particular person is bewildered by material things, and who are bewildered by such a material things, thus a resolute determination for the devotional service to the Supreme Lord does not take place. Resolute determination for the devotional services will never take place. त्रिगुणिया विश्यावेदा निस्त्रय गुणियो भवार्जना निर्बंधो नित्य शाश्वतो निर्योग सेम आत्मवाद. त्रिगुणिया विश्यावेदा निस्त्रय गुणियो भवार्जना निर्बंधो नित्य शाश्वतो निर्योग सेम आत्मवाद. Here Lord Krishna stated the Vedas deal mainly with the subject of the three modes of the material nature. O Arjuna, become a transcendental to those three modes of the material nature and be free from all the dualities and from all anxieties for a gain and safety, and also be established in yourself. Once you establish in yourself, once you knew about yourself who you are, you don't need to know anything. First try to know who you are. Here Lord Krishna here stated, before knowing all the Vedas, try to know who you are. त्रिगुणिया विश्या वेदा निस्त्रय गुणियो भवार्जना निर्बंधो नित्य शाश्वतो निर्योग सेम आत्मवाद. निर्गुणी बन जाओ पार्थ. मतलब जो वेदा में जो तीन गुणों का जो मतलब त्रिगुण जो मेंशन किया है उसका त्याग करके निर्गुणी बन जाओ पार्थ. हमेशा अपने आप को देखो, अपनी आत्मा का साक्षात्कार करो पार्थ. Then you will surely reach to me. यावन अर्थ उपादते सर्वत्र संलुप्तो तोदके तारवान सर्वसु वेदसु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः. Here Lord Krishna stated, all the purpose served by the small well can at once be served by the great reservoir of the water. Similarly, all the purposes of the Vedas can be served one who knows the purpose behind them. So we all have to know the purpose of our life. Why we born? What is the reason behind our birth? Once we come to know about the reason behind our birth, we can easily serve to Lord Krishna. We can easily reach to the Lord Krishna because Lord Krishna is there. And without being attached to this material things, material pool, we have to attach ourselves toward Lord Krishna. We have to engage ourselves in the devotional practices of Lord Krishna. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.